okay? Hope you're doing well, and if you're new, welcome to this channel. So we have yet another unboxing for you guys. Should be short and sweet, but yeah, just some extra pieces we've gotten and some styling pieces as well. Mummy, anything you want to add? Without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Already open because I had to record this bit. But let me show you guys the inside first of all, actually. So we have two items in this one, both in duster bags. And the first one is this lovely shoulder bag. I was just telling Mummy that I think it's very autumn appropriate with the color and the fabrics that are involved. The color is almost like rust, auburn, you know, along that spectrum. And I don't know, they've woven the bag, and it's almost like when you've cut off some frays, they just left it a bit, you know.
I think it's made out of jute. Nisha, bring it closer. It's made out of jute. I think you can tell from these things in here.
So
like
yeah,
a sack.
Very a nice color for autumn. As I was saying, they've used the gunmetal for the chain, which, sorry, I think is also quite seasonal. Let me show you guys the tag so that if you wanted, and it's an open flap. So if I believe actually, so where does it open?
Flip it the other way.
Oh, this side. So on this side, you just pop open the press button. Actually, there's two actually. Open that up, and on the inside, you have two sections, just black.
Two compartments, isn't it?
Yep. And then a little pocket on the side. So yeah, a really nice take on a basic sort of standard bag, really. So yeah,
I think it's like you're saying, it's an autumn piece, very seasonal.
Yes.
And then it's very in at the moment. This very kind of rustic, boucle textured stuff, bags especially, even boots. I hear they're gonna, you know, it's gonna be popular as well. So
boots, a lot, you know.
This is a time to bring your one out of the closet. Yeah.
Really nice piece.
I think this was quite cheap. It was either $6.99 or something like that. That's how much I got it.
That's pretty good. Next bag that we have in here. Now you guys probably would have seen this before. Is it exactly the same?
About 10 months ago, isn't it?
Yeah. Is it exactly the same? Or
It
is
was. It is. Sorry.
Oh,
yeah,
it
is.
Okay.
It is. But then when the boucle thing, like I was saying, became popular, and this one was also $5.99. But I think when we bought it like 19
around about.
So I couldn't let it pass.
Yes.
I don't know.
Let me take off the felt for you guys. But it's basically a sort of shearling bag. The color is like an off-white sort of color, just like sheepskin basically. And then it's just detailed with tan and gold, which really work. Let me show you guys as well so that you guys can see this. But again, I think the texture in these bags is what makes the bags a lot more different. It has a little bit of something. So this one is just one section and a small pocket on the inside. But yeah. And
also the baguette bags have been popular. I mean, some people call it the armpit bag, where you have a snag in your armpit.
Really snug, yeah, inside.
So it's not going anywhere. I'm sure it's going to be here for.
Yeah, really liking the look of these.
Oh wow,
actually.
yeah.
Very happy with this too. So those are the first two items. Next box we have is this one, and I'm feeling shoesy. That's what I'm feeling. Alright. So in here, I really like these. We have some granddad sandals. I don't remember when they first came about. I remember when they became a thing, just black ones, and I don't know which designer really pioneered the movement. I think
no, granddad sandals. I think a year ago, a year and a bit actually.
And classically, everyone has a sort of black pair, but I think the tan will prove useful for certain outfits. and we got them in a size 6, just so that you can see. And they have a slight platform, nothing too garish, nothing too much, but it still sticks to the granddad theme. It is two-tone, so you have this sort of deep tan.
Is it like a suede and a satin finish?
Actually, it's a bit more, I would say satin.
And suede, isn't it?
Yeah, oh yeah, and suede is here, right. So suede is there, and then you have a bit more of a satin finish on tips, but it's sort of gradients from the beige to the tan, which I think looks really cool.
I mean, it took me a while to actually, accept this as a fashion, or a trend piece.
Really? What made you?
No, because when we were growing up, primary school, this is what we wore to school, But then again, I bought one, the black one that we got from Zara, I think 2 years ago or a year and a bit ago. And they're the most comfortable things you can ever come across.
You understand why grandma's wearing these.
Yeah, so once I tried it, I was sold.
Yeah, I'm really, really digging these. And how much were they when you got them?
Oh, I think they were around 12 or 15.99.
Right. So not too shabby. Yeah, and feel very, very solid, by the way.
They are comfortable. I think that's what it is for me. Not even so much the trend piece or whatever, but the fact that
for me, I think it serves both. Yeah, it's really good. Ooh.
I wore the black ones yesterday, and I felt like
Oh, you wore them?
My feet were happy.
They were at pace. Right. Next box, slightly thicker. So we might have a few more going on in here.
I think the thing is, this fashion thing, you shouldn't always be, trend led. If the thing works in your wardrobe, it serves it has a function.
Yeah.
It serves a purpose. It is doing something for you. 2 years down the line, when the trend is even gone, you're still rocking it. I think that is the way you have to think about
when fashion.
Yeah, buying
and what
things.
you buy.
Yeah.
True. Especially when it comes to high-end things. Next box, look like we've got some clothes in here. I don't know if you guys can see. But yeah. So I'm just gonna go. So we're just talking about this crop jacket. I think you were gonna say something, but
I said it was one of those that when it came in new in. I think originally it was some 49. Is it? Let me see. Do you have the tag? I thought, why 49, Zara? Really? But again, it was a trend piece. 27. There are a few tags before that. Oh, maybe I'm getting it wrong. And I really liked it because of the contrast of the teal and I said teal. The what do you call that thing?
It's almost like a khaki. I think it's
my
sage.
color thing is gone.
Trying to say sage?
Yes. It's a darker sage.
Yeah.
And then the black. The contrast was really nice. I liked the pockets, the drop shoulder, the crop, the boxy fit. All the
on the ends.
The frayed. Can you show them the frayed hem? Yeah. So I thought it was a nice piece, but it was one of those that just flew. It just went. Yeah. So when I came across it, I was happy.
So we've got this in a double XL. So that we can get that nice crop with a high-waisted, whatever it is, maybe a skirt, maybe jeans. But I think, or even to wear on a very long dress.
I was just gonna say that I'm just looking to wearing it on like a simple, these popular H&M spaghetti strap
dresses that are long, maxi, flowy. Throwing it on top will look absolutely beautiful. So
trainers, mules, granddad shoes.
Very nice addition, if I do say so myself. So that was this jacket. Moving on to the next item. Back to sandals. These are so nice. I like these sandals a lot. First of all, color is just everything that I love. It's very simple, very basic, neutral color. And the way they've done it, the finish is so I don't know, clean. It gives me, again, high-end vibes, the way they've done it.
Yeah.
Where you have the 2 straps, very wide, and then a little bit of a platform, which I think makes it look cool. And they've integrated the platform with the espadrille sort of woven detail in the back, which I think looks really cool. But it feels durable, but it doesn't feel too heavy or clunky per se, even though it has that look.
These would be really nice with culottes, like
Yeah,
a wide leg,
a wide one.
Yeah.
So these ones, very, very happy with. Size 6. Do you remember how much you got them for?
Something around 18, 19, 15, 17. Those
those prices. And then there's the sole, but I'm personally, this is really, for me, like, I feel like you had me in mind, you know. But yeah.
It's rubberized though, you know that?
It's
matte.
as well. And it's a matte finish. It just looks really nice. Oh yeah. Yeah. Even, on mommy's feet, it just looks really, really cool. I like them a lot. And there's something a bit sportesque about it. Like, I don't know, sporty.
I know what you mean.
But
The sole gives you the Balenciaga
trainers
the
vibes.
huge,
The way they've done the lines.
But I think Chanel, is it Chanel? I mean, I stand corrected, but Chanel or one of them, Gucci, has something like that, but in black. Initially, when I saw it, I was like, this is like my mother's, sandals. But obviously,
They look very cool. Are they comfortable?
they are extremely, because they mold to your feet,
Right.
so they are comfortable.
I'm very happy and excited for those ones, actually. I really, really like them. Moving on to our final box for this unboxing. Again, a little bit of a thick one, so get a feeling. Yeah. Open this one.
I tried to open all of them, so I think it's quick.
So we've got another duster bag in the box, just for protection. And we've got the same sandals.
Ooh! Why? What's the excitement?
The color. This is just top notch. I love these already. Even more so. Is it? Oh, it's different to the tan ones. Okay. So we have another pair of Grandad sandals, but in a sort of olive green color, which I think will be so good, especially in autumn as well, on a slightly warmer autumn days where you want to mix it up maybe with a skirt and jumper. You know, you want to try something different and not too summery. This is perfect. And I think the way they've done the sole in correspondence to the colors, it gives me military, vibes. I really, really, really like them.
I think the style inspiration came from the military Jeep. You know the Jeep, the green one, the tires.
See,
style inspiration.
You can get inspo from anything, to be honest. Size 6 that we also got these ones in. But yeah, I'm really digging the style. Very simple as well. So you've got your strap on your ankle and just a strap on the toes as well. So there's no real connection between the two. But all in all, I think this is simple but effective with a lot of these Grandad sandals. Durable as well. Soles feel very, very good. And it has a similar insole where it sort of molds. So
they had a black version to this, but then because we had the black ones,
you just felt like
let me go with the green.
The green is so nice, guys. I don't even think it'll probably reflect well on camera, but this green is really, really nice. Yeah, I'm happy with these. Oh yeah, sorry. And
I think we get excited about shoes. People don't get it. Because when we've done videos, when it's dresses, people like it.
They're like, oh yeah, I like this dress and this color and this shoe.
But I think I can wear anything, provided my shoes are nice.
Yeah. Shoes and bag, I don't know which one I'm more now. I'm kind of...
I'll definitely take shoes over everything else.
Really?
Yeah, I can just be in a sack or rags. And my shoes are on point and I'll be happy.
Yeah, you make them work. So yeah guys, I think that was the last item in this unboxing. Again, these ones had some good ones and that I really, really liked. Hopefully you guys enjoyed them as well. let us know what else you want to see from us. We even have ideas coming up that are going to be really, really good. Just, you know, planning. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Mommy, anything else you want to add?
Yeah, I think that's it. Thank you very much for all the support. But the views are good. The views are looking good. The subscriptions are looking good. It's the likes that we're struggling. So
like the videos.
guys, like it, and let's do more of this. God bless you. God keep you.
If it fits,
Feel free. Have fun starting it.
bye guys.
Bye.